Hi, let's talk about adding and subtracting multiples of 10. Here I have some problems that we can look at. So when we're adding and subtracting multiples of 10, you'll notice that there are zeros in the ones place. And this might throw you off because you're not used to seeing all these zeros, but really it makes the problems even easier. When there is a zero in the ones place, you know the answer is automatically going to be zero, whether you are adding and subtracting. So if you add numbers with both zeros in the ones place, your ones place in your answer is going to be zero. When you subtract numbers that both have zeros in the ones place, your answer is going to have a zero in the ones place. So we can really ignore it for all math purposes. Just write the zero there. Don't have to think about it. Then we add the tens place. So in this case, I have an 8 and a 1 in the tens place. So I just add 8 plus 1, and that gives me 9 or 90. I can also think of this as 8 tens plus 1 10, and that equals 9 tens, and that equals 90. So there's a lot of different ways to think about this. There's a lot of different ways to model it. Those ways are shown on the review sheet. I'm not going to go over them in the video. If you have questions about it, let me know and I can address those. All right, now for subtracting, instead of thinking about 70 minus 30, if that feels weird to you, you can think about 7 minus 3, and that equals 4. So your answer is 40. Or you can think about 7 tens minus 3 tens equals 4 tens, which equals 40. And again, on the review sheet, there's lots of different models to show this, and you're going to get lots of practice looking at the worksheet and doing the activity. All right, time to go back to that worksheet that you started before watching the video. Then put your work away. Tomorrow, look at the review sheet, see the models that I have included, and then try the activity. Remember, 5 to 10 minutes a day for several days is going to get you really comfortable with this skill. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.